Morning.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very good. Thank you. What about you, sister?
I'm very fine, but I have a cough.
Oh,
I don't know why.
it's a cold weather or just a huge hot weather?
No, it's just because it's so hot. The weather is so hot here.
Ah, okay, I understand. So
Alhamdulillah.
I think you are taking the medicine.
Yes.
Okay, be careful. I think some silly mistake is just rushing behind of you. So be careful to move forward your life.
Okay, don't worry.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
will be careful.
sure. Don't worry, as you're saying, but it's automatically it comes in my heart because you are my best sister in my platform. Not only platform, but also I think, I
Oh
yeah,
my God.
I think.
Also, you are my best brother. Thank you.
All right,
What
sister.
are you doing these days?
Today is our off day, so no work. But as you know, I'm a YouTuber, so I will just try to make a new video yesterday, then customize, then checking the video, then I will upload in the evening time. That's all of my activities for today.
Okay.
Do you have work today?
It's good. Yes, I'm at work. But I'm doing my nails now.
Oh, I see. I see. You are doing your nail, okay. But sister, I have a question.
Yes.
My question is, as you know, the Iranian president and foreign minister and two other also staff have died by the helicopter crash. So, do you know about this matter? You don't know the Iranian president has died just 2 days ago.
I don't like the. I don't like this news.
Okay.
I don't like the news. Just like I never want to listen to news ever. I don't. If it's political or something like that, I
Yeah.
don't like to know.
Yeah, I understand. As you know, Iran is a Muslim country. Even they are very high powerful country with hypersonic atom, but it's completely good for our Muslim communities. So we should be compassion for his death. Really.
I know it's a Muslim country, but as I said, I don't like to talk about
Okay.
something political.
Okay. You know, I had a conversation with your friend also on our last conversation with your friend, office staff. Yeah. Where does? Okay. Where does she now?
She's pregnant and she's going to put a baby today.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I just send best wishes to your friend who is giving the birth yesterday. I hope all the best for her.
Okay. I will tell her, don't worry.
Thank you.
And she will be very happy.
Yeah. But when you're gonna get married? I'm just I'm trying to come in your country. When you're gonna get married?
Next year.
But have you engaged with somebody or you are looking for someone?
No, I'm engaged.
Oh, you engaged.
Is that Gazi?
Yeah, I'm here.
Gazi, sorry, our connection here is not stable.
Oh, it's okay.
I hope to talk to you later, okay?
Okay, thank you.
When it's stable, because the electricity is cutting off.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm really so happy for you that you have given me your 12 minutes. It's really big enough for me. Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice to see you. Yeah, see you again.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay.